In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to do YouTube affiliate marketing step by step. Also, we'll be explaining the benefit of YouTube affiliate marketing and how you could use it to earn over $100 or more per day. You can see right here, this is the balance of $300 right here on my screen. And I was able to make this money using YouTube affiliate marketing. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through the process step by step and also how you could also get started with YouTube affiliate marketing. So this is to tell you that you don't necessarily need to have a large subscribers on YouTube for you to start making money from your YouTube channel. So a lot of questions that you guys may ask is, what is even affiliate marketing? So affiliate marketing simply means selling other people's product and you're gonna be given a commission once the person clicks on your link. So how affiliate marketing works on YouTube is you need to sign up for an affiliate marketing network. Then you're gonna be given a unique URL that you could use to promote. Actually, I have a full video explaining in details on how you could start affiliate marketing for beginners. So I'm gonna be leaving the video right here at the end of this video, so you make sure you go check out once you're done watching this video. I'll also be leaving the video in the description below. Right here, the next thing you need to consider right here is to find a profitable affiliate product you could promote. You could literally do this by going over to platform like jvizu.com, cshe.com, impact.com. So you could just create an account on any of this affiliate marketing network and start promoting their product. And another way you could also find a profitable affiliate product to promote is by going on Google right here and type in whatever affiliate program right here you want to promote in your niche. So if you're in the make money online niche, you could type in affiliate marketing in the make money online niche. So if you're in the health niche, you could type in affiliate marketing in the health niche. If you're in the fitness niche, you can just type in affiliate marketing in the fitness niche. You can also do the same for like travels, for blogs and other kind of niche right here. You're gonna see a lot of affiliate products you could promote. All you just need right here is to just sign up for the program right here and grab your affiliate link. So once you're picking an affiliate product or an affiliate offer, there are some things you need to put in place. So if you're picking an affiliate product, I'm going to advise the affiliate product you're going to be picking has a very high commission. You need to make sure it has a very high commission. It has a very high review. You need to make some research about the product you're promoting on Google. Go on YouTube right here and search for a lot of reviews about the product. Then once you know that the product is good, then you're good to go. Once you already find a good affiliate product to promote, the next thing right here is to set up your YouTube channel. So one thing to consider while setting up a YouTube channel is you need to pick a niche you know you're passionate about, a niche you know you're knowledgeable about, because this is going to be a kind of long-term game because you're going to be making passive income from this method. So literally picking a niche on YouTube right here is really important because this is going to determine your success right here on YouTube. I'm going to advise you really figure out what kind of content, what kind of video you want to start creating right here on your channel. So if you know you need some help with that, I have a full detailed tutorial teaching you how to start up a YouTube channel, everything you need to know. I'm going to be leaving the link to the video in the description, and also you can also check out the video right here on my channel. So once you're done setting up your channel right here, it's now time for us to start creating videos, because literally that is how we're going to be promoting our affiliate link. So the video we're going to be creating right here is going to be standing as a traffic source to our affiliate links, because literally if you are not getting a lot of clicks to your affiliate links, there's no possible chance of you making sales as an affiliate marketer. So once you're creating a video promoting an affiliate link, there are some things you need to consider. First, the kind of video you're going to be creating must be a searchable video. So what I mean by searchable video is the kind of product you're going to be promoting must have a very high search volume, because literally people are going to be searching for this product right here on Google, on YouTube. So this is going to give us a high chance right here for a video to pop up. And in order for you to do this right here, you also need to learn how to do your SEO optimization right. So how I rank my videos right here on YouTube is I go over to this tool called vidIQ. Then I'm going to be inserting the keyword I want to rank for. So what this tool does is to analyze the competition right here of the keyword, if you can rank for the keyword, if your channel could rank for the keyword. So once you already insert the keyword right here on vidIQ, it's going to bring you the overall score, which is it could either be low competition or high competition. So if it's low competition, then you could consider creating the video. But if it has a very high competition, I'm going to advise you stay away from that keyword. And in order for you to identify what kind of keyword is low or high, you're gonna notice right here, if you come over to this bottom right here, you're gonna see the keyword is gonna be indicating green color. So once it's indicating green color, that means the keyword is low. But if it's showing you a yellow color, that means the keyword is high. So if you know you have found the video helpful so far, consider smashing that subscribe button and give this video a like. So literally you could just do this for any kind of affiliate product you're promoting right here. All you need to do right here is just put in the keyword right here on vidIQ and check if you could rank for the keyword. Then if you know you could rank for the keyword, then you could create a video right here enlightening people on how to go about the product. Then you're going to be putting your affiliate links down in the description. Then you're going to be telling the viewers right here to click on the link right here to go check out the product. So once you're done with that right here, what I'm going to advise you to do is you should start creating as many videos as possible, because literally one video might not actually get you your first affiliate sale. And the reason is because YouTube might not actually know who to promote your video to. That is the reason I told you guys to create as many videos as possible, and also make sure you pick a very good niche. So once YouTube starts seeing the kind of video you are creating right here on your channel, it's going to be pushing your video right here to more larger audience. And once YouTube is pushing your video to more larger audience, there's a high possible chance that a lot of people are going to be clicking on your affiliate links, and when they sign up using your affiliate links, you're going to be getting a commission. So literally, you need to make sure you are consistent right here, because consistency is the key. So if you have any question you'd like to ask me, feel free to go down to the comment section right here and drop your question, and I'm going to be answering all your questions. And I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, consider smashing that subscribe button and give the video a like. And don't forget to go join our WhatsApp community group down in the description.